Jacob here. I'm the founder and general manager of Summit Made here in Cleveland, Ohio. I want to talk a little bit today about our 200% guarantee and just exactly what that entails, what it is, and how to make sure that you're getting the most out of it so that you are always having an absolutely fantastic clean with every single appointment that you have with us. So the 200% guarantee is our promise to you that you are going to have a fantastic experience no matter what. If for some reason anything is not up to your standard during your appointment, you just let us know. We will send out either the same or another cleaner depending on the situation to do a complete top to bottom re-clean to make sure that you are getting the clean home that you deserve. And if for some reason you are still unhappy with how everything turned out, we'll give you a full refund on top of it. That is our promise to you. Everything that we do here at Summit Made is about making sure that our clients have an absolutely fantastic experience. And we're here to make your life easier. So if we're not doing that, we don't deserve to be getting compensated for it. So we created this guarantee to make sure that we are on the hook giving you that great experience. In order to make a claim, all you have to do is just send us an email to our support tickets, support@summitmade.com, and one of our team will get in touch with you immediately to schedule either a follow-up or take care of that refund for you. In either case, everything that we do is striving to put you, the client, top of mind, and so we hope that we'll see you in the future, and that knowing a little bit more about this 200% guarantee and what all it entails gives you a little bit of peace of mind. There's a lot of bad cleaning companies out there, and we're doing everything that we can to be one of the best in the industry. So we hope to see you in the near future, and have a fantastic rest of your day.